Do you have any other, do you have a favorite appellate tip or war story that you can share with us and our audience?
Sure. Actually, I was trying to narrow down and I got to three or four. So, um, so one thing that my mother has always said is make sure you tell the story. And I said, you could not give more vague advice. But, what she means is that, especially when you have the facts on your side, make sure you're playing it up and telling a straightforward, simple story. I have nothing but sympathy for trial lawyers who have to get emotion out with such small amount of pages and they have to use abbreviations, and I have been there. But if you have more space and the ability to tell a straightforward, clear story, it's so much easier for the court. And so that's one of them. And then the other rule is that she's always emphasizing to me is what's the rule for this case? And I can't tell you how many times the judges ask that. What rule? We're making law, it's not just your case. What rule would you want us to set out for the whole court? And so many times people haven't thought through how this would work. How would it apply to the next case? And mostly they're concerned with where do we stop this so that it doesn't encompass every case.
Now, are they only worried about that if they're going to publish, or if they're going to non-publish the decision, they can just do any old thing they like?
Yes, true. But sometimes they still ask about, where are you getting this rule from? Or, if there's some way, and it doesn't always work. Sometimes the cases are a hodgepodge. But if you can synthesize out a rule that encompasses your case, it just gives you a leg up whether they're publishing or not. And it may get you to publication if the law has been unclear, if you're looking for publication. And then my last 2-cent tip is one thing we've been doing more recently is using pictures and graphs in the briefs. These are 60, 70-page papers. No one doesn't appreciate a bit of a break. And there are some things that are almost impossible to describe just using words. We had a case with a foot-long weapon, and the picture of it was worth, 4,000 words right there. So, and we've heard some feedback, not on our particular briefs, but we've heard feedback from the justices that they're very open to pictures, graphs, other ways of presenting information.
Yeah, a picture can be worth 1,000 words, and it doesn't count against your word count.